By the end of this video, you will be able to generate video games like this, and even this. Okay, I will show you a small demonstration on how to create a video game using ChatGPT by using a package called pygame. Okay, now I will give the prompt for creating this kind of games in the description. You can check it from there. Once you click on that link, you will be coming into this window. Just click on try this prompt on ChatGPT. It will enter into our ChatGPT. Okay, here is a main requirement, that is you need an AIPRM extension. If you don't have, I already made another video to install AIPRM Chrome extension for ChatGPT. I will give a video card on top. Okay, you can check it from there. Now let's get started. This prompt will ask you a description about your video game. It can be like any type of video games. For this small demonstration, I will go with a small hide and seek game. Okay, now I will type a small description on it. Now I have given a small description of there are 3 persons who are green, blue and red. Another person who is an yellow who needs to find them into a small city. Okay, the yellow man has the movements of right, left, front and back. Okay, after generating, you have to click on copy the code, paste it and save it with an .py extension. Okay, I will click on save. Now come to your command prompt by typing cmd. Just type Python. If it was not there, it will be directed for the downloading page. Okay, once you install Python, just type here as pip install pygames. Okay, if it is not there, it will be installed. Once it is installed, just type Python and enter that location. Now that your game is ready, this is a simple game. By giving more instructions, you can generate a really great game. Okay, now it has some movements. Okay, it has catched that guy. That's it, guys. By this, you can give more instructions starting from a small part like designing that man. That's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.